Have you ever wondered if you're being scammed when hiring a mold remediation contractor? You've got mold growing in your home, that musty smell won't go away, and maybe your family's dealing with unexplained allergies or breathing issues. You know you need professional help fast. So you start calling contractors, getting quotes, and suddenly the numbers are wildly different. One quote says $2,000, another says $15,000 for what seems like the same work. Some contractors are pushing for immediate demolition, while others want to run endless tests first. Here's what keeps homeowners up at night. How do you know who's actually helping you versus who's just padding their profits? When your family's health and your biggest investment are on the line, can you really afford to guess wrong? Welcome to the Mold Hotline, where we give you the straight facts about mold removal and mold remediation. Today we're exposing 7 sneaky scams that target home buyers when they're most vulnerable. Stick around because the final scam we reveal could literally save your home purchase and thousands of dollars. Let's start with scam number 1, the manufactured emergency. Dishonest contractors love to create panic by claiming your mold situation is immediately life-threatening. They'll push for instant demolition and removal work. But here's what they won't tell you. Legitimate mold inspection and testing should always happen first. Real professionals assess the situation properly before recommending any action. When someone demands immediate work without proper evaluation, that's a red flag, not genuine concern for your safety. Scam number 2 involves inflated testing procedures. Some companies will insist you need dozens of air samples, multiple lab reports, and extensive analysis that sounds impressive but isn't necessary. So, what is the truth about mold testing? You will need a thorough visual inspection combined with targeted sampling. This usually provides all the information you need. If they're pushing endless tests and charges, they're padding their profits, not protecting your indoor air quality. Number 3 is the overpriced treatment trap. You'll receive quotes that sound more like complete home renovations than straightforward mold cleanup. These estimates are often deliberately vague, packed with hidden fees, and demand large upfront payments. Professional mold remediation should come with clear, itemized pricing. If the numbers don't make sense or they want huge payments before starting work, walk away immediately. Scam 4 centers around impossible promises. Any contractor guaranteeing that mold will never return to your property is lying to you. But why is that? This is usually because mold prevention depends entirely on moisture control, and no company can control every future water issue in your home. Honest professionals focus on proper removal and moisture management, not unrealistic lifetime guarantees. The 5th scam involves useless chemical treatments. Some companies sell expensive sprays, fogging services, or special solutions that only mask odors and discoloration temporarily. Real mold remediation requires physical removal of contaminated materials, thorough cleaning, and most importantly, fixing the water source that caused the problem. Everything else is just expensive cover-up work that won't solve your healthy home concerns. Number 6 is the no-contract game. When a company refuses to provide detailed written estimates, timelines, and work agreements, they're setting you up for endless surprise charges. Professional mold consultation services always provide everything in writing before work begins. No exceptions. Verbal promises mean nothing when problems arise. The final and most devastating scam specifically targets homebuyers, the loan approval trap. Unscrupulous contractors know that mortgage lenders flag mold issues during the approval process. They deliberately exaggerate problems, inflate costs, and drag out timelines. The longer your closing gets delayed, the more desperate you become, and the more likely you are to accept their inflated prices. Don't give them that power over your home purchase. So how do you protect yourself from these mold remediation scams? Knowledge is your best defense, but professional guidance makes all the difference. When you need trusted mold removal quotes, expert mold inspection, or connections to legitimate professionals in your area, the Mold Hotline has your back. Call our free consultation hotline right now at 877-237-1870. We'll connect you with verified local experts who provide honest assessments, fair pricing, and quality work you can trust anywhere in the USA. Remember, the real cost of these scams isn't just money. It's the stress, the delayed closing dates, and potentially losing the home you love. Don't let dishonest contractors steal your dream. If this information opened your eyes, subscribe to the Mold Hotline channel right now. Drop a comment sharing any suspicious experiences you've had with mold contractors. Share this video with anyone who might be house hunting, because knowledge protects everyone. The truth is simple, not every contractor has your best interests at heart. But we do. Stay informed, stay protected, and never let mold scams come between you and your new home.